What is going on, my friends? SimplyPops here, back at it again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how did I gain 10,000 views a day on my YouTube channel. Getting views could be a little bit of a struggle, and I understand that. I still struggle with views, but just as a whole, as my channel combined, I gain like about 10,000 views a day. And just a quick little disclaimer, I gain maybe like 9,000, 8,000. But most of the time it's 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, sometimes like that. So let me just show you guys something. Let me show you guys my social blade. Now this is my social blade. You can check out your YouTube stats and see your progress. As you guys can see, uploads 1.1K, over 3.9 million views, almost 4,000. And as you guys can see, I started my channel September 16, 2013. So, you know, all this stuff takes time. If you're just now starting your YouTube channel, you guys gotta realize that this stuff takes time. It takes years. And that's why you gotta do it, because you love it. You love video editing. You love filmmaking. Casey said it best. Filmmaking is a sport. These are all my views. So 10,000, 9,000, 9,000, 9,000, 8,000, 12,000, etc., etc. Over here is a little low because I think Social Blade was glitching out and it wasn't giving you the views, or it wasn't showing the views, so it just combine them all in one day. It's only 11 o'clock, so how 12,000 viewers watch? So as you guys can see, very healthy. See, so 10,000. Now this is a secret that I use. I didn't tell anybody yet. I didn't tell any of my friends yet. But now the question is, how do I gain those views? Now this is a video that I recently uploaded. Now the time of you guys watching this video, I'm actually away. I'm taking a trip down to the Caribbean. I need to get away from the cold, man. But yeah, this video I uploaded it February 10th. You guys remember this video. And it's already gained 300 views, right? So 300 views, and I just uploaded it yesterday. Now I use a tool called TubeBuddy. Now TubeBuddy is gonna actually help you grow. It's gonna help you grow a little bit faster, get you more views, get you more subscribers, and you can actually see what other creators, like other creators' tags on their videos, and maybe you can use some of their tags and then, you know, paste it onto your video. You know, just a little secret that I may like to use sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes. So TubeBuddy's showing me this, so it has like a nice little checklist. So it's gonna tell you should add an end card, you should add info cards, you should add more tags. It's gonna tell you all of that right here on the side, and it's gonna also show you what do you rank on the search engine. So I really need to optimize this video, but like I said, there's so many content creators out there that it could be hard to really make your content stand out at times. So I really need to work on my tags. But the beauty thing about TubeBuddy, you have some tag tools. So you have some tag tools down here. So it's going to generate the tags for you, and all you got to do is just click on the add, or the plus I should say, and plus, and you just select the tag. You want to definitely pay attention to this middle tag right here. These are basically all the similar tags that top YouTubers use, or top ranking videos I should say. And yeah, you have all kinds of stuff. It tells you right there on the bottom. You also have Explore, so you can search up a term. So I could type in Bose, or maybe not Bose, speaker. So like, okay, boom, I typed in speaker. It has all the most used tags. So Apple HomePod is the #1 speaker right now, and you have subwoofer right below it. And then you have your trending, so it's going to show you what's trending. So if that term is trending, it's going to give you all the trending tags. So if you search up speaker, these are all the terms that's going to come up. So, you know, you want to pay attention to that too. You want to definitely, you know, meet with the SEO, you know what I mean, search optimization. You even have translate. So I never really use this, to be honest with you guys. So it's going to translate your tags. So you have Arabic. You also have something with the end tag, so you can save your templates. Right, so I don't really use this tool as well. And that's pretty much all what I do on my videos. I make sure all the tags are right. Now let me show you guys my top ever video. This is my top ever YouTube video in the time of this recording, of course. This video gained over 300,000 viewers. Now the only reason why this video did so well, honestly, I was the first person on YouTube to upload this video right here. How to perform a stage fatality in Mortal Kombat. And as soon as I found out, boop, I'm making a video. And that's what I'm trying to say. You gotta upload stuff quickly. If you see something hot right now, or you see something interesting, make a video about it, or record that moment, because it might go viral. Now also, I use the tags, as you guys can see. I ranked up on the tag, the search, and after a while, people start to make other videos, so I'm ranking at number 6. But at that time, it's too late. I already gained all the views already, and I'm not trying to be selfish, but you know, it's YouTube. Everybody's in a competition in a sense, but everybody works together as a community, unless you're doing collaborations. I really use nice tags, and as you guys can see, it's gonna actually show you like you should title your video between 20 and 70 characters. Now, the reason why they're telling you that is because when someone is searching up your video, they can see everything, because sometimes YouTube cuts off the title. So if you have a really long title, it's not going to show all of it. But this video did okay, man. I'm going to leave this video alone. Now, this video I made exactly a year ago, March 18th, pretty much. It's about to be a year. I was surprised that this video did well. The iPad Pro, or the iPad Pencil, I'm trying to say, that came out like 2 years ago, and I made this video last year, so I was a little bit late to the game, but this video managed to still do well. And the reason being is because I'm literally the only person who made a video like this. Can an iPad Pro replace your notebook, a physical notebook? Nobody never done that before. They compare it to the MacBook, and they compare the iPad, and that's it. But I wanted to compare it to a notebook. And look, the video did really well, 200,000 views. The tags, a little bit weak. So that just shows you that sometimes the tags can really work. And then there's sometimes the tags, it don't really matter. It's just people just searching it up and you're the only video that's there. So sometimes you got to be exclusive with your content too. And it's hard to really make exclusive content on YouTube unless you have a really, really strong talent of something that you want to show your viewers or show the world, or the internet, I should say. This is another viral video, 100,000 views. But look at the tags though. The tags did really nice, you know what I mean? And everything's just thanks to TubeBuddy, because TubeBuddy actually ranks your tags, or is going to rank your video onto the search engine. So what this is, like, okay, I'm number 2. So if someone search up Huarache Ultra, I'm the second video that comes up. If someone search up Huarache Ultra, I'm the first video that comes up. Or Huarache on Feet, I'm on the third video. Cozy ASF sneakers, I'm 21. So you know what I mean. So it's trial and error. You gotta definitely try out all the tags as you can, because that one little tag can really make your video right here. So I'm paying 700. I said 700. So I'm paying $7.20 for TubeBuddy just to get these tags and get the tips. And there's way more features you can do. Like, I didn't even get to this right here. You have, you know, your publish, right? Schedule publish. I can't do that unless I upgrade my license. You have your end screen. You can copy your end screen and paste it to something else, like a different video. You have upload to Facebook. I think you have that feature too. You know, you have a lot of different features going on with TubeBuddy. So you can actually make a thumbnail using TubeBuddy. So if you don't have Photoshop, or I don't know, you're using a school computer, or you at work, you want to create a thumbnail for a video, you could do that very, very quickly using TubeBuddy right here. So and you have your quick launch, because sometimes YouTube can be a little difficult to get to certain areas. So you have your my videos, your live stream, your comment. You know what I mean? Once you break out of that laziness and start editing videos, you'll be fine. And then once you use TubeBuddy, that's like the icing on the cake. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's how I did it. TubeBuddy is an amazing add-on. I highly recommend you guys install it. I throw a link in the description. It's an affiliate link. I'm not sponsored by them. I don't think that's a sponsorship. But that's an affiliate links down below. I just want to be a little bit more transparent with you guys. Just want to let you guys know. But for the most part, that's how I did it. Once I make tech videos and album reviews and put the right amount of tags and just keep on doing that every single day, then you'll be fine. I try my best to make a video every single day, but you know, it's hard. Reality can set in, so I understand that. But try to make some time for YouTube too as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Find this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up, much appreciated, and comment down below what you guys think. Alright guys, until next time. Peace.